Hello and welcome to this tutorial video as we highlight a new Google application, Google Vids. I am Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Google Vids is a video creation tool that is now included in your Google Education Workspace. Google Vids allows you to create videos by importing your previously created Google Slides or by creating a video from scratch. There are a few ways to access Google Vids. One way would be through your Google Drive by clicking on the plus new button and selecting the Google Vids option from the drop-down menu. You can also open Google Vids from your Google 9 dots and select it from the pop-out window. Once the application is open, a window will open in which you will be asked how you want to create your video. You can do this by recording yourself and/or your screen, uploading saved images and media files, using their pre-made templates that are editable, and finally uploading your pre-made Google slideshows. If you choose to exit out of this window and get to the main page of the application, you will see the layout of the application looking very much like Google Slides. You can add additional scenes, which are like the slides, by clicking the plus button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Using the toolbar menu on the right side of the screen, you can choose to record your voice along with your scenes, and additionally your face to go along with your scenes. You can also add text, upload different media files such as images and photos. Additionally, you can add scripts to go along with each of your scenes, allowing you to read from them if you choose to record audio to the scenes in your video. If you would rather add music, you can click the stock web option from the side toolbar menu, then choose music to change the search parameters. You can then choose the audio file to insert into your Google Vid creation that would play as the scenes progress in your video. You can also choose pre-selected templates for the scenes from the sidebar menu as well. These templates are completely editable and you can make additions to them as well. Finally, you can import your Google Slides by going to File, then Convert Slides. You can then choose which Google slideshow to import and which of the slides from that file to bring in to your Google Vid creation. Just like in Google Slides and Docs, you can share your Google Vid creation by using the Share button. Additionally, once your video creation is complete, you can download the files as MP4 file. To do this, go to File, then select Download as MP4. The file will go to your downloads in your browser, and then you can save and upload to another location for yourself or for your students to access in Schoology or Google Classroom. Additionally, it is important to note that to get the Google video file to be stored in your Google Drive, you will need to go to File, then Export to Google Drive. Once you do, your Google Vid file can be located and stored within your Google Drive. Once in Drive, you can share the link of the file to other people, just like you would the other files that are stored in your Drive. In this video, you have been given an overview of the video creator application Google Vids. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.